Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable developer mode for Chrome extensions. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots, which is the Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. When you hover over it, a submenu will appear on the side showing additional extension-related options. This is where you can access all your extension management tools and settings. In that submenu, click on Manage Extensions. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can view all your installed Chrome extensions, enable or disable them, and access various settings. This page is essentially your control center for everything extension related in Chrome. Now that you're on the extensions page, look at the upper right corner of this screen. You should see a setting labeled Developer Mode. This feature is crucial if you want to install extensions from outside the Chrome Web Store, test extensions you're building, or access advanced extension debugging tools. It gives you much more control over how extensions function in your browser. Right next to the developer mode label, you'll notice a toggle switch. This toggle allows you to turn developer mode on or off with a single click. When it's off, the toggle appears gray or in the off position, and when it's on, it typically turns blue or shifts to the right. Go ahead and click that toggle button to enable developer mode. Once you click it, you'll immediately notice some changes on the extensions page. New options will appear at the top, such as Load Unpacked, Pack Extension, and Update. These tools are specifically designed for developers and advanced users who want to work with custom or in development extensions. And that's it, you've successfully enabled developer mode for your Chrome extensions, giving you access to advanced features and customization options. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.